Hey everybody, we're here live from San Antonio, saying hello to all my peeps in Fullerton, California. How's it going, everybody? I'm here welcoming you to my little corner of my kitchen. I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for coming back. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. You guys know I love you and I believe in you. So today, as promised, we are going to make guacamole. Guacamole. That's how we pronounce it.
Guacamole.
Guacamole. That's my director and producer shouting at me, directing, Tom Olsey Jr. I am your guest and your hostess, Raquel Castillo Olsey. Do you want to say hi, babe? Your hair looks good, babe. I like your hair.
Oh, thanks. And hello, everyone. Good to be with you and making guacamole.
So, yes, Tom's a lot of fun. All right, so if you remember, I promised you guys 2-item guacamole. I know what you're saying. There's no such thing. There's no way, but there is. And unfortunately, I went on Pinterest the other day and someone was already doing my recipe that I'm going to share with you today. So I was kind of upset about that, but that's okay. So before we start, however, and I'm only putting on my glasses for dramatic purposes. First, I want to discuss with you, what do you have in your refrigerator? What do you have? What do you always have in your refrigerator? Because that's going to lead up to making our guacamole. What do you always have? You can post it for me, let me know. And by the way, thank you for all your comments. I love your comments. Thank you for all the likes. And I can't remember who, I think it was, I can't remember, I'm sorry, but somebody was sending little chilies. I loved it, little peppers. I love it. So today, if you want, you can send me little avocados. I saw them. I know they're on there. I know there's an emoji for avocados. So today, but before we do that, I want to ask you guys a question. What do you have in your refrigerator? What do you always have to have? I'm going to share with you what I always have to have in my refrigerator, okay? Over here, hidden in this little bowl, I'm going to tell you. We always have, now, I always have coffee, but that's not in the refrigerator. Because I have coffee, I always have to have creamer, okay? Not only do I have to have creamer, because I love coffee and I cannot live without it, I always have to have an extra backup supply. That's right, 2 creamers, okay, no. Okay, 2 creamers. We also always have to have in the house whipped cream, or as we affectionately call it, whomped cream. Whipped cream. We always have to have whipped cream, man. I'm sorry, but we do. We always have to have eggs. Eggs are very good for you. Good for you, cholesterol, good cholesterol. So we always have to have eggs. And another weird staple, you guys might think it's weird, but that's okay. We always have weenies. We love, because if there's an emergency and I can't go out to dinner, or we don't have time to cook, guess what I make? I make eggs and weenies. Oh, I know Tom loves.
Those are my favorite.
Tom loves eggs and weenies. And be sure, if you get weenies or frankfurters or whatever you want to call them, guys, make sure that you get them with no nitrates added. Okay, very important. We want to make sure they do not have nitrates or nitrites, okay? I was very surprised and happy to find out that Ballpark is the brand that does not have that. Okay, so what else? I always also have on hand garlic, minced garlic. So I know we're getting closer. I know you're thinking, oh, not garlic. No, we're not going to put garlic in the guacamole. But that's something we always have. We sometimes have onion, but usually it's that. Now, another thing we always have in my kitchen, in the refrigerator, we always have butter. Butter. I love butter. Love it. Okay, we're going to put the butter right there. I didn't want to bring a whole cube. And there's another bird. And for Tom, in case of an emergency, right, babe? We always have to have chocolate, just in case.
Oh, yeah. Hershey's.
He loves Hershey's. Okay, so now we're gonna get down to the nitty-gritty. I know a lot of you guys eat out. You go out to eat, you grab a taco. Here in Texas, it's breakfast tacos. In California, it's burritos. We bring our food home, and inevitably, what ends up in our refrigerator? Leftovers, right? So, what do we have for leftovers? Oh, wait, one more. I try to always have tomato sauce. Okay. All right, enough of that stuff. Let's put that over here. Let's get to our point. And that is, almost always, I'll go in the refrigerator, and there will be a gazillion, maybe not a gazillion, a bunch of these little guys, okay? Do you guys have these in your refrigerator by any chance? Or maybe you have this in your refrigerator, or this in your refrigerator, right? Are we getting closer? We're getting closer. Where's my little trash can? Look at my cute little trash can. Isn't that cute? Okay. Anyway, so here's some more. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these. They're multiplying. They're multiplying. So look at all these. Or maybe in your cupboard, in your pantry, you have this. So guess what the second item is to make guacamole? That's right.
What is it?
That's right. That's right. Yeah, I'll tell you what it is. It's salsa. So, don't feel cheated. It's okay. It's going to be delicious. Obviously, you picked that salsa because you liked it, right? Well, guess what? You're going to like it even more when we blend it in with avocado, because that's going to make instant guacamole. So, let's get started. Let's make some guacamole. All right, so I already started smashing an avocado here for you, but let's do another one. Avocados are very inexpensive. Uh-oh, that one's kind of hard. It felt like it was soft in the market. Avocados, would you believe the little avocados here, 42 cents at my market? That's wonderful. Yeah. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a live demonstration. And remember, guys, avocados have the good. Live camera, live on action. I love it. Live. I'm okay, no worries. They have good cholesterol that we need, okay? Cholesterol is what we need for our brain. We need it for our heart. And for you lovers out there, it's good for our sex life. Yes, it is. And many, many more things. I read that the avocado is the fruit that gets the least pesticide. Probably because of the skin, right? Don't you think? It's so thick that it probably can't really penetrate in there too well. Okay, so I don't want to take too much of your time. So I'm gonna use this one that's already cut. All right, there we go. Now usually what I do is I'll use a fork and I'll just smash it up because they're usually so soft. It's okay. However, I saw some chef, I don't remember her name. I'm mad at her though because she was the one that was using the little recipe we're using today. By the way, I want to say hi, Nina. Hi, Nina. Nina surprised me, you guys. I went to the store today, and Nina was there. She's the manager at Thriftown. And she told me, she came up to me and said, I'm so glad you used Serrano chilies. And I was like that. I didn't even know she was watching my video. Isn't that awesome? I love it. That was such a great surprise. Okay, guys, look how pretty. Really nice consistency. Like I said, I'm not going to make a lot because you guys get the hint. You guys get the point. So there we go. Nice and creamy. I love it. I love avocado. It's so buttery and yummy. Okay, now let me see. Now comes the fun part. Which one do you guys think which one would you use?
The hot one.
I knew you were going to say that. Look, I know, he would like this one, right? Hot. Not me. I'm a chicken. I'm a whip. But I'm pretty sure this one's hot. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. This one came from our favorite place, Tacos and Salsa. It's a beautiful little, cute little restaurant. All right, so look at this one. This one's so pretty. It's got chilies. It's got, I'm sorry, Flory. I'm sorry. It's got cilantro. I apologize. For you, we'll use this one next time, okay? And it's got tomatoes and all kinds of good stuff. So guess what? We're going to use this one. And we're just going to pour it in. I got this recipe, by the way, you guys, from when I worked at the phone company. A good friend of ours would make guacamole for us on Farmer's Market Day. Do you remember who that was, Tom?
No.
Oh, okay. It was Bia. Bia did it. Anyway, Bia taught us how to, and I loved it. She was very generous. She always would share with us, which was very nice. She'd make a big, oh my God. I wish you guys were here so you could smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells so yummy. All right, it looks wonderful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scoop some out. I don't know how good the camera is, but look how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Now you guys can do it to taste, but I can tell you without even tasting it, I know it's good. Because it's got, look at all the, can you see all the color? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So there you go. There you have it, guys. Guacamole made with two items. Okay, I know we cheated a little bit, but let me try it. Let me try it. I'm going to die. I already know. Mmm. Delicious. Be sure you guys like or love. Show me you guys love it. Give me a little thumbs up or send me little hearts. Let me know you love it. And if you guys make this, send me little pictures. Send me photos. I want to see your guacamole. I bet you it's going to be delicious. Now, this, remember, I'll get one more bite. Remember, guys, wasn't that fast? This is what you're going to do to make things quick. So you have more time to sit down with your family and visit with them, talk to them. Don't you hate it when you serve everybody and by the time you sit down, they're done? No, I'm going to teach you guys how to make things fast. Okay, so now let's say you have a lot of time. I'm going to show you something really, really cool. How about when you guys make a little garnish dish for those parties or when you're going to entertain, right? How about we take some guacamole, put it in a little baggie. You take a cherry tomato, scoop it out, and check it out, guys. Watch. I want to show you how it's done. And this is when you have more time, when you have a lot of time. All right? And look at that. Whoa. Add that to your garnish dish. Isn't that fun? Aren't they so cute? Now.
Do it again.
I can't do it again. I don't have another tomato. But I do have some more little tomatoes already made. Aren't those adorable? Aren't they so cute? So this is what you can make when you do have time, when you're going to have a party or something. They're falling over. I'm sorry. I apologize if they're getting messy. Now, leave the bottoms intact. See, it's because it's flat. That way they can stand up. But anyway, so that's what you do when you have a lot of time. Isn't that cool? I thought that was so fun. My friend, years ago, I went to a party and Mario Navarrete was the host, and he served those. I thought they were wonderful. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed making 2-item guacamole with me. I sure love having you guys with me. I think about you guys all week long. What am I going to make? What am I going to do? How am I going to do it? As a matter of fact, I have some more ideas for more videos for you guys, okay? For example, what do you guys do with your little pieces of soap that are left. What do you do with them? Don't throw them away. I'm going to show you what you can do with them. Okay, that's one. And also, how many of you sell stuff on eBay, or you want to sell stuff on eBay? You can make money on eBay. It's a fun hobby. So let me know, and if I will let me know what ideas, if that sounds good to you, because I can tell you guys, I'm going to give you some great ideas how I used to be able to make, it's like $600 a month sometimes selling things on eBay. And then remind me, and I'll tell you what does eBay have to do with a little twig? There's a story. Oh yes, you're going to love it. All right, you guys, sending hugs to all of you. Please send your comments. Please like my little video, and please be sure you share. Okay? Send me your little emojis of avocados if you liked it, and little hearts and thumbs up if you liked it. Okay? All right, guys. I love you. Thank you for coming. I enjoyed having you with me today. Come and visit again.